how to share the connection from your iPhone to your computer using USB cable. Well, let's get straight onto the video. Now, first things first, you need to have iTunes on your laptop or computer. Now, if you have already installed it, it's great. If you have not yet installed, then since you don't have any internet connection connected on your computer, you'll have to do so on your mobile phone. So if you have Android device, it'll be much easier to simply download it on your Android device and then connect it using data cable. However, if you have only iPhone device, then downloading it on your iPhone, save it to your files, and then use the 3U tools. Now, in case you don't have 3U tools as well, which you most probably don't have, then you can get this version similar to 3U tools for your iOS as well. You can get it easily from your browser or app store. So you can see apps here. Then once you have it connected using data cable, it'll ask you to trust and you want to trust and you want to transfer the application from here to your device. So let me show you here real quick how I connect it. Simply insert it and trust it and head over to iDevice, and my device is now connected. As you can see, it's reading device info. And if I head into apps, I'll be able to get the app. I can import and install it here, right? The next step is once you have iTunes installed, you want to simply connect it again using your cable, since keep it installed. And now on your iPhone, you want to go ahead and enable hotspot and make sure that your mobile data is enabled as well. This is how you can share internet to your laptop or computer using iPhone through USB cable. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe as well.